10,000 marchers, 2 million line the street for the great St. Patrick's Day parade on March the 17th. All Irish eyes are smiling and green is everywhere. There's a leprechaun here spying, I can feel it in the air. Celebrate Ireland, the marching bands are coming. Ireland, the pipes begin to play. Celebrate Ireland, you hear the drummers drumming. Everybody's Irish on St. Patrick's Day. Hear the fire engines blaring, hook and ladder number 8. Look, there's pipers dressed in kilts of plaid, playing Amazing Grace. Here come the Irish dancers, a-stepping to and fro, and from his shamrock float the old Grey Marshal waves hello. Celebrate Ireland, the marching bands are coming. Ireland, the pipes begin to play. Celebrate Ireland, you hear the drummers drumming. Everybody's Irish on St. Patrick's Day. My shirt is green, my shoes are green, my reds are green, my blues are green, the corned beef and the cabbage too, the soda bread, the Irish stew, the blonde is green, and so I'm told by the fiddle, the harp and the pot of gold. Streets are green, the rivers too, now I am green, and so are you.